All right, Lurch is the lucky winner today because his bike is on the lift. We've got another awesome product from Ciro 3D. What do we got, Lurch?
We have the Taillight, and this is a light that adheres to the bottom of your Tour-Pak and provides lighting to the rear and the sides. It is a run, turn, brake light.
All right, so a couple things worth noting before we get started. The Ciro Tailo will fit your regular Harley trunks or the chopped trunks. It also fit aftermarket if it's of the same mold, basically, and the same size. Now on Lurch's bike, we do have an aftermarket, and it doesn't come with lighting. And so it's a really nice addition to get lighting up here, obviously for safety, so cars don't rear end you. With that said, just remember also the Harley branded detachable trunks that you buy direct from Harley don't come with lighting either. And even if you do have a limited or ultra limited that comes stock with trunk lighting, you can still use the Ciro Tailo, and I recommend it for additional lighting to the rear and sides. And as Lurch said, run, brake, turn, and signal. And best of all, very simple to install. We're going to show you how. Lurch says I've done enough talking, and
True.
Time to install. But before we get installing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon every time there's a hit another biker joins the revolution. We'd love to have you be part of it. And while Lurch is mocking this up, I just want to remind you, if you appreciate this video and all the videos we put out, you can support us. We carry this Ciro product and a ton of Ciro products right in the Law Abiding Biker store. We appreciate your support. Links description below. At the time of this video, the Tailo Taillight is compatible with 2014 and newer Harley-Davidson models that use the previous fairing design. However, Ciro is currently developing a harness adapter that will allow the Tailo to integrate with the electrical system on the 24 and newer Harley-Davidsons featuring the redesigned fairing. Once that adapter becomes available, we'll update the Tailo listing in the Law Abiding Biker store with all the details and direct links to purchase it. So keep an eye on that product page for the latest updates. All right, to start out, we just got some rubbing alcohol, paper towel. The reason he's putting that on there is you'll want to really thoroughly clean the underside of your trunk here because we're going to stick this up there with some 3M tape. So he's going to go all the way around there. Okay, so pretty simple here. Just got the 3M sticky tape. It's got some flaps, which is nice, so you can get at it real easy and get it peeled off here. All right, and once he gets that all peeled off, obviously you want to make sure we mocked it up before just to check kind of how to put it. Obviously you just line it up with the edges of the underside of the trunk there like he's doing. And he's just making sure he's got it just right. Obviously, you don't want to get it stuck on there and then have to try to peel it off. So that's what he's visualizing right there. Looks like he's got it, and he's going to go ahead and start putting even pressure all the way around this. Make sure that's stuck on there real good. And there he goes. He's just continuing to just go around this thing with good, even pressure. All right, so we got to get access under the seat. So Lurch is removing, and that's our awesome Rick Rack seat bolt. Got them in black or chrome. We also have an extended one for reaching down in there if you want to reach down from the top so you don't have to reach down so far. We've got a bunch of different models. I'll link to it in the description below. Much better than that stock Phillips, and you don't need a screwdriver this way. These are really solid and they've got grip, so you can just get them off with your fingers. All right, now you can go ahead and pull the seat back there and off. All right, so these are your wires from your Ciro Tailo coming forward there, and you can see they're just tied there. All right, so obviously this is an aftermarket trunk, but if you're doing it on a stock ultra limited or anything like that, you're going to have a flap back there, and you can just lift that flap up. Now, the one on the right side from the Tailo is a lot longer than the one on the left side, and that's why they do that. So you can basically lift that flap, bring it across, and then you can bring both of those out the same side. All right, so this splitter comes in your kit, comes in a lot of the Ciro 3D products that wire back here under the seat. Basically, it's just a splitter, and you'll see it's got two big plugs on it. You'll see in a minute we're going to actually split the main plug on the bike here, and then it's got your two leads that come off of it. That's going to go to your Tailos. So what you're looking for under your seat is that black plug right there. That's your main rear lighting plug. It's got a push tab. Push on it and pull that apart. And now with that Ciro splitter, that's what we're doing. And you can only do it one way. That plug goes in that side, and the other goes in the other side. And you've effectively split that brake lighting line, so to speak. And then you've got your two leads coming out, one left, one right to go into our Tailos. All right, and so you'll see we have additional wiring. Literally, guys, this is just more Ciro products. We have bag blades on this Road Glide along with a Latitude taillight. Strongly suggest putting those on in addition to the Tailo here. But you can pretty much put as many rear products as you want on. You're using the same splitters. And so we've already had those installed, and Lurch, basically that same line we split, you're just going to take it, plug the rest of his products in. Each one has a splitter, and you're basically just daisy chaining, and everything's going to go between the main stock Harley plug. And so you can just keep adding these splitters and just daisy chain it, and that's going to work right there to light up everything at the rear. And we've still got our 2 leads there because we still need to get those plugged in to the talos. All right, your kit comes with this, a little dielectric grease. Get that up in those plugs. All right, so there's your 2 leads. You don't want to get these crossed, and I'll explain. One goes to the left, one goes to the right. In the bundle of wires there, you're looking for the one that has a brown wire in the bundle. That goes to your right. And then the other one, you're looking for the purple wire, and that one goes to your left. Now that he knows that, he's got the correct colors sorted out there, he can go ahead and plug it in. Plug it in his right side there. Again, that's the brown one. And plug it in the left one, which is the purple wire. And with that, now our tailo is wired. And from this point, it's a good idea to go ahead and turn the lights on and check everything just to make sure it's working before we button things down. You know, wire management is up to you really on how you organize everything. Zip tie, electrical tape, whatever you want to do to get it under your seat here. You could also run this tailo wire right here across the bottom of your trunk if you wanted. There's some sticky pads and zip ties. We're just bringing it out both sides. But again, that's all up to you on how you do that. And there you go. That is one Ciro Tailo installed on this trunk. And look how nice looking that is and sleek. And it is a brake, as you can see when he hits his brake. And then he'll hit his right signal here. And around the side here, you get the signal. And you can see how good that looks. I told you earlier, he's got the bag blades on here. Awesome addition from Ciro. We've got all this stuff in the law-abiding biker store, guys, for you. Link in the description below. And that Latitude taillight with light strike technology, so we can actually program that to do different things when he hits his brake and when it boots up and stuff like that. You see he has a pattern there. Again, all this is just really nice looking, and again, he's lit up at the rear here. Less chance those cagers are going to rear end you, and they can see all that light and get stopped.
Kinda got you feeling wavy.